Just got this fan right here. This is a shop fan, and this is a must now because it has really got hot in Alabama. And this is a nice size fan, as y'all can see. It's pretty big and it blows some wind. It got 3 speeds to it, and I really only got to put it on 1. And you can lower it down. I just got it up tall so the wind can blow kind of, up top. But other than that, y'all, let's get into the video. Hello family, and welcome to another edition of Black Knight Mustang Lifestyle. Well, yes, it's finally time. We are fixing to break down the cross member, show you how we do that. Gonna try to do it step by step. So first thing we gotta do is get Black Knight off the ground. Well, first we gotta take the wheels off, get them off the ground, get it jacked up, and from there we'll start doing trying to drop the cross member. Some other stuff we got to take loose for that, but yes, we are fixing to put the headers on. It won't probably be in this video, but we will be closer and closer. So let's get to working. Let's get it. And yeah, that's a new Daytona jack. I advise all y'all that got Mustang, this is a good jack. It's a low profile jack. I just got it jacked up. Let me let it down and y'all can see. And it's for the cars that sit low, like mine. So that jack would get under there real good. Usually I gotta kind of push up on my front spoiler and get the other jack under there. But this one is a good one. They got it at Harbor Freight. They got them on sale right now. So, and I'm also got a crossbar member that I got to go with that. That when I get ready to drop the cross member, I can put that bar across there. So anyway, let's get this jacked up. Let's get the wheels off Black Knight. So I'm going to take that loose and I'll get back with y'all. Another thing to make life a little easier for you, get you one of these little earthquake ratchets. Another one of Harbor's Harbor Freight Special. Stuff like this help you out. So get you one of these, make life a little simpler. Let's go to work. So this was another piece that I had got from Harbor Freight to support the motor, the motor bar bracket. So let's get into it. So we're going to put that together and put it on the car, and y'all see how it holds up the motor. So here we go. Okay, family, they shooting fireworks over here, and it's not even the 4th of July. They're shooting it the day before then. But anyway, Black Knight is broke down. He's 2 wheels short. The K member's down, so we did it. It was a job. And I tell you what, I'm tired. Alright, family, with that said, it's been a long day. Had to take a lot of stuff off just to get the K member, get some bolts off, take the struts off. Y'all seen all that. Oh man, it was a job. But the hard part is really done. Now, we're going to get under here, spray down the bolts for the manifolds, let them sit, come back another day and spray them. We're going to spray them real good. That way, we have no problem breaking the bolts on the manifold, loosen them up. So, anyway, we're going to do that. If you're new to the channel, make sure you smash that like button, make sure you share, and also make sure you go subscribe and stay tuned because these headers are going on. So we'll see y'all on the next one. Y'all know what it is. Stay light, baby. Peace. I'm out of here.